Hi, I'm Paul Greenshields, Coast Care Regional Coordinator. We restore the beaches from Waihi Beach right through to the Cape, and today we're here to celebrate 25 years of all our hard work. Coast Care started in 1994 and today marks its 25th anniversary.
Hi, I'm Andrew von Dardelson. I'm a regional councillor and I've watched Coast Care grow in the 25 years it's been going. It's fantastic. It's a real good collaboration of the local community working with the Tauranga City, the regional council. It's a huge success. I think there's been about 1.5 million plants planted in that 25 years and over 300,000 man hours of volunteer time. So we can't do it without the community. The community has really gotten behind this over the 25 years.
So Coast Care.
Coast Care.